guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Casey Becker makeup look from Scream. What I love about this look is it is probably one of the most simple makeup looks you could do. You literally almost don't even need to wear makeup except for the lipstick, but she is such an iconic character and I feel like she's easily recognizable, especially if you are going as a duo and you dress up as Casey and you have someone else dress up as Ghostface. I just think it'd be so much fun, so I definitely really wanted to transform myself into her this Halloween. And she may or may not be the first of a few Scream-inspired makeup looks, so definitely make sure you stick around for those. Speaking of, if you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because every weekday for the entire month of October, I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup look and you don't want to miss it. Also, I'm doing a huge Halloween giveaway throughout the month to thank you guys for all of your support throughout these years. This is the 5th year I'm doing Halloween makeup here on YouTube, so I'm so excited to be sharing my work with you guys and to have your constant support. It's a dream for this to become a full-time job, and so I just wanted to be able to say thank you, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video for a little bit more information on that. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Casey Becker from Scream, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be popping in some blue contact lenses before moving on to my face. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen and applying this all over my face because I find that I really like the moisturizing effects of this and it's always good to be wearing sunscreen. For my primer, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying that all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my Becca Under Eye Highlight and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten them before moving on to my Milani Supercharged Peach Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and blending that out as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones, and this is going to help give a little bit more of an illuminating glow to my foundation. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the color 220N and applying this all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be using this as a cream contour, so I'm going to be applying this to all of the places that I want to have a shadow, and then I'm just going to be making sure to blend that out. I'm now going to be highlighting my face. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and applying this under my eye and my chin, and I'm just going to be blending this out as well before setting it with my Airspun Translucent Powder. Next, I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette. Taking this contour shade, I'm going to be applying it to the same areas that I added the cream contour. Not only is this going to help set that cream contour, but it's also going to help give it a little bit more definition to my face as well. I'm then going to be taking this banana color from the palette and I'm going to be using this to apply under my eyes, my chin, and this is really going to help add a little bit more highlight to my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my Enchanted Mirror Blush by ColourPop and I'm going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks before going in to my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones. Next, we're going to be moving on to brows. I'm going to be taking my NYX Brow Pencil in Espresso and just lightly sweeping this through my brows just to help darken them a little bit before setting them with my Benefit Brow Setter. Next, we're going to be moving on to eyes. I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and just sweeping this over my eyelids before moving on to my Disney Designer ColourPop palette, taking Chip and just applying this all over my lid and bringing it down to my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be taking Triton and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and lightly blending it in. We don't want to have too much eyeshadow. She has very natural looking eyes, so we just want enough to add a little bit of definition. And last but not least, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Wild Nothing palette, taking No Bounds and lightly applying this to the outer corner of my eye and also using it to lightly line my lower lash line as well. You want to make sure to blend this out because we just want this to be a nice soft contour. I'm then going to be taking my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in dark brown and I'm going to be tightlining my upper lash line, and then taking a pencil brush, I'm just going to be lightly smoking this out so it looks a little bit more natural. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF3 and just going ahead and outlining my lips. Next, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Taurus, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lips to help give a little bit more of that dark brown undertone before going into my KVD Beauty Lolita Everlasting Liquid Lipstick to give it a little bit more of a pink tone and bring that liquid lipstick finish to the makeup look. Going back into my ColourPop Wild Nothing palette, taking No Bounds, I'm going to be lightly applying this under my eyes just to kind of add some dark circles under those eyes, but we want it to be very natural before we go ahead and curl our eyelashes, and then take our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just go ahead and sweep this through your eyelashes. Now, I personally did decide to use false eyelashes for this look. If you want it to look a little bit more natural, feel free to skip this step, but I personally wanted to add some fake eyelashes to this look because I thought it would photograph a little bit better. So I'm just taking my Kiss number 11s and applying that to my lash line. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Stay All Night Setting Mist and applying this all over my face. And that is the completed Casey Becker makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. I will be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes access and sneak peeks to upcoming makeup tutorials and tips and tricks before anybody else, and that really does help support me and my channel a lot. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.